So I realized I haven't posted a video in like forever, and so I wanted to do that. Just a lot of things have been going on, like a lot, very much so. I don't know, like I've just been busy. Like we've been doing a lot of stuff like here in Virginia, but also um, just trying to work through things with people back at home. Um, Staying up to ridiculous hours of the night has been a good time. Um, I think 2 nights ago, like 2 nights ago, I think it was 2 nights ago, I stayed up until 6 a.m. because somebody decided to text me and then get into the argument with me about that. And so um, that was really fun because I love that. And I was pretty sticking to my convictions with it before, and I was totally okay with us being over. Totally okay with it. I was like, yeah, no, this makes sense. Like, we'll be over. Like, everything will be good. And thinking about it because I was like, oh, he's not thinking about me. Like, and then I get a text from him. Oh, I miss you. Really, really, bro? Do you have to do that? And I'm just about over you. Is that really necessarily? Like, I straight up had to like block my internet from like letting me go to speak with my as well because it was that hard. And texted me, and then it basically turned into like I don't know him asking about my like cuts and stuff, and to the point where like he made it so that way I was begging him not to leave me. It's not the point at all. I'm really upset about it, and I guess at this point like I'm just so like frustrated, but I know that I knew that something like this would happen, and he never lets it be easy. So like as soon as we get back, it's probably gonna be the same thing. We're gonna be arguing in person, and then like halfway through our argument, I'm not gonna remember why I was arguing, and then I'm just gonna go back with him. You guys are will, and so that's really really annoying. So I guess I'm not looking forward to that. Happy and yeah, so that's what's been happening. I haven't gotten a lot of chances to do a video because well, there's so many people living here, and the only reason I like can do a video and speak honestly right now is because they're all in the other room watching Fear Factor. Which okay, to be fair, I love like the challenges and stuff, but when it comes down to like the eating, I can't handle it. So that's gross. Why would you eat something like that? Like the menu for tonight, I guess, is roaches and grasshoppers. People, what they do for money. Silly Americans. Silly Americans. Okay, so I decided that I don't generally like cats at all. No, I don't. Because I love dogs and I'm sort of a dog person. These cats just snuggle. Like they're just Matt just sits on my lap. There's no big deal, just chilling here while I'm making a video. Yeah, I'm so cute. I don't know why I talk to him, he's deaf. Um, but yeah, so I like cats. They're nice. But I miss my dog a lot, and I know that we only have a few more days here. I leave Friday, and then I'll like start bringing my stuff back to the dorms on Saturday, and then on Sunday, I'll just like go back there, and then Monday we have off. So I'm thinking that either Sunday or Monday I'll get my tattoo because I have so much money now, which is awesome. So I've been saving it and not spending it on anything. I know, that's right. Really proud of myself. Also having a little bit of a conflict because, but see, there's this guy I really like, and he's been a really nice distraction from the whole other incidents, and um, he hasn't talked to me in like 3 days. So that made also the like whole confrontation thing a lot harder. And then there's another guy that I had a huge crush on in Texas, and I lived there for a year, and he is moving up here. It's like, are you seeing anybody? And I was like, well, see, it's technically I'm not. So I was like, no, not anymore. And so now there's that, which is gonna be really annoying. So I'm looking forward to that. So basically, like, going back to school is gonna like start a whole new slew of problems, which I'm really looking forward to. But it'll be nice to have my independence back and be able to like stay up as late as I want without people judging me, and go on 2 a.m. walks and go across the street to my studio. So yeah, I haven't really read anything interesting lately, which is really sad for me. So I'm gonna try to fix that. I think I'm gonna start reading the book Claire gave me for Christmas. So I'll update you on that, and I'll try to make my videos more frequent.